So welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be completing the exercise 6, that is classifying of spam and non-spam emails using support vector machines. So let's get started into the video. So I suggest you watch entire video so that I'll be explaining in detail. So first, uh, make sure you open the exercise 6.mlx, that is a live script file, and ensure that you have kept the output on right so that you can visualize the output on the right side. So what we'll do is, so you can see here, they've asked us to complete only the 4 functions. There is a Gaussian kernel, dataset 3, and the process email and the email features. As you can see, indicates asterisk indicates files you need to complete. So we need to open the 4 files. So let us open the 4 files. That is dataset 3, then email features, and then the Gaussian kernel, then email process. Yeah, process email. Okay, so you can see here. So what I'll be doing is I'll just be before I'll complete all the functions, and then you can just execute it. So just go to the first, we'll complete the Gaussian kernel. So as you are aware of the Gaussian kernel, so in a support vector machine we are using kernels to basically transform from lower dimension to the higher dimension, and the Gaussian kernel is also a method where you will transform from lower dimension to the higher dimensions. So basically the formula is, as you can see, they've already given us the formula here. If you scroll through, yeah, this is the formula, exponential of minus x minus j by 2 sigma square. So you just transform it into MATLAB code. So as we're returning sigma semi exponential of, so you should be very careful with the brackets, minus sum of x1 minus x2, x1 and x2 are the points, whole square, divided by 2 into sigma square. Make sure you give a semicolon at the end so that it doesn't print the output. So yes, and make sure you save. Sorry, there is a typo here. You just need to, yeah, it's whole square. Okay, so after this, make sure you save. Yeah, so we are now completed with the Gaussian kernel. So next we'll be completing the process email. So the process email is a very simple function. So process email, what it does is basically you have the contents in the email. So but the computer doesn't understand the words. So that the words, first we need to modify the words into an index. So I'll tell you what I mean. So I have here a sample email. Okay, you can see this is a sample email. There are like so many words here. So this email is Germany to all the team members. So basically what you're doing is you're mapping this to a number. Okay, so what we have is we already have words to compare. So this is our what do you say, like a dictionary. So we have like a bunch of words. So the index 1 is, the index 2 is 2, 3 is car, aware is 4. So what we do is, so we compare this with the content, the email content. So how is comparing done is, so you have is, so you are going to check if is exists or not in this email. So let us check. This email is okay, so is exists. So what you do is you come back here and you push the index to a word index array. Similarly, you go on comparing 2. So 2 exists or not? Yeah, 2 exists in the email. So you just add 2. So car, search car exists or not? No, the car doesn't exist. So you don't push it to the word index. Similarly, aware. Yeah, aware exists. So 4 goes in here. Similarly, you end up comparing all your dictionary words to the email. So after that, you'll end up with the word indexes like 1, 2, 3, some like big index. So now this is the process of pre-processing. This is pre-processing. So in our function, basically what we are doing is we compare like some can see here this is there, but you can see here ease is there. So your email might also contain like capital E's. So first you need to compare everything to uh, you need to transform everything to a lowercase so that it matches to everything in the dictionary. Okay, so this how we are doing in MATLAB code. Let us see. So you can see this is a get vocabulary list. So you're getting all the list of words. Then you're initializing word index to 0. Yeah, you can see here all you're converting everything to lowercase. You're just making all the pre-processing. So if you just scroll down here, you can see here. So what you just need to do is write a for loop for I equals to, in MATLAB, the array indexes starts from 1. Okay, don't forget that. So we are just comparing. So if we find a word, so we are going to push it to the index. So whenever we find a word, we just need to break. So we need to come out of the loop. So end the for loop. So just save. Okay, so make sure you save. So now what we need to do is we need to complete the email features. So email features is a very simple thing. So as what we have done already, you can see here, this we have converted. So we have got with the word indexes. You can see here, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The is mapped to 60, quick is mapped to 100. So we have got all the indexes. So but now we just need to get the features. The features are basically, I'll show you how this works. So now we have the word index as 1, 2, 4, so on. But let us take, for example, if the X features are 1000, so everything will be initialized to 0. So we need to map 1. So if there is 1, so we need to give X as 1. So we'll check 2. Yeah, 2 exists, 1. So 3. So 3 doesn't exist. So 0. 4. Yeah, 4 exists, 1. Similarly, you're gonna end up with big array of 1, 0, 0, zeros and ones. So now how to do it in MATLAB is, so X is basically a matrix. You pass the index, like say we want to convert the third index to 1. So we just say 3 equals to 1. That's it. That's the function here. We are going to write it here, like X of word index equals to 1. That's it. So save it. And then you come back to dataset 3. So already typed in the code. So you can just copy it. I'll just explain. So basically here you're finding the optimal value of the sigma. So, and then you have already using the inbuilt function svm train to train the model. and then you're making the prediction. Okay, based on the prediction, we are finding the C value and the sigma value. As you can see, this function dataset3 returns C and sigma. Okay, this is just a comparison. Like you have the value of y, you're making a prediction. You're seeing it's like comparing the cost function. You can see here if you're making a prediction, if it's less than the best prediction, you're setting best prediction equals to prediction. And then you're getting the new C values. So after obtaining the best C and sigma value, optimal C and sigma values, you're just passing them to returning them as the variables of C and sigma. So that's it. So as you completed this, just save it. Make sure you can pause the video and copy this. And after copying this, you just save everything and close. Okay, now you can just go on executing single files, or else after executing every file, like you can go here and click on run section, control run. Okay, make sure you run all the sections, like control run. Okay, you're obtaining the graph. So if you don't want to run individually, you can also come here, place the cursor on here and go to you can see here. So run to end. So if you click run to end, so all the sessions will be run. So it will take a time. So after you got all the outputs, so then go to the command window. And then you can submit it. Okay. So if you like the video, please hit like and do subscribe. So if you have any doubt, you can mail me. So thank you for watching.